Guess what day it is? It's Sunday Fun Day. We're taking all these Lambo on a hill country drive. Stay tuned.
Hey, what's up? Today we're having a drive with Lamborghini Houston, and hopefully it'll be awesome today. So let's rev up some V10s and V12s and here's some Lamborghinis going nuts. Raging Bulls, baby.
Good morning, everyone. So we're doing a Lamborghini drive straight from Lamborghini to the Woodlands. Shall we? Let's go. We're taking about 15 Lamborghinis, cruising them all the way to the Woodlands, just to give everybody that Lamborghini lecture experience. I'm gonna go through like a little zigzag, up hills, down hills, whatever we could find in the Woodlands, and then we're gonna end up at Zanti's, that Italian restaurant that I've been to a few times. One of the best Italian restaurants so far that I've been to here. Todd over here, the organizer of this event. You want to tell me more about what you're doing?
Yeah, so we're going up to Sam Houston Forest area, doing some really nice roads, nice straightaways, 3090, which will have some nice curves. Be some aggressive driving, some good stuff. A lot of fun for these Lamborghinis.
Hell yeah, hell yeah. Well, I brought the SV. No, I did not bring the SV. I brought the Urus. So that way my camera guy will not throw up. Those roads will make us sick. Some sick ass roads. Let's do it. Okay, yeah. No texting while driving. That's fucking bad. Yes, you're right. Can you just take the steering wheel for me? Just kidding. Hey, Blue. No, sorry, I'm so sorry. I wasn't on my phone, okay? Watermelon sugar, hi! Blame it on the watermelon. The purpose of this drive is to actually use your car, enjoy your car, whether it's a Lambo, Ferrari, or anything you enjoy to drive. And of course, get a rock chip, hurt your paint, break your glass, windshield, headlights, anything that you can bring to Imperial. So we can fix it for you. That's why we have Imperial. Are you in good hands? Wasn't that a perfect jump when we jumped? That was a badass jump. It's like about 140 miles an hour. Yeah, it's good. Do the hazard. Yeah, there's no hazard. I'm loving this drink. It's really, really good. You also try it. Oh man. So, I think the next run will be for another 30 minutes, and then we're gonna head back to the restaurant. I'm kind of hungry. I'm starving. Joe, is your car okay?
Yeah, I got 2 rock chips. 2 rock chips.
Yeah, that's what we get. It's like, we get what we get.
The film got screwed up. Oh shit. The film.
Well, Joe owns a body shop. It's called Royal Collision. If you need anything, my brother's shop also as well.
license and registration.
Your license and your registration. Do you look like a cop? I look like a cop. Just kidding. I'll give you my license and registration. I'm so sorry, officer. Please don't arrest me, officer. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh shit! I don't have my wallet. I'm so sorry. Can I give you gum?
Get down.
What about some Red Bull? It's watermelon. It's really good.
I like it.
Oh, here we go.
Thank you.
Folding laundry. I don't have time at home, so I gotta bring it over on a drive. What? Oh, sorry, yeah, we're not supposed to do that either. Jesus Christ, hands on the steering wheel. People, focus! Now, today was epic. It was absolutely epic. One of the best drives so far this year. I'm glad we did that. Amazing bulls. Different colors, different flavors. But now, it's time to satisfy my tummy at Zanti's. But this is badass because it's like more like off-roading slash.
You felt
at
that
least
today
he's
was-
comfortable. Otherwise, he'll be all over the car.
Today you felt it was a little bit of an off-road type of test, yeah?
It was amazing. I mean, he was bouncing even though with nice
I heard you
suspension.
actually got airborne.
I did actually.
So-
My four wheels actually lifted, and that's why I was like, oh my god, did you feel it too? He's like, yeah, my heart jumped with the car. It was so awesome, dude. We went like about 140 miles.
We're like 100. No,
We're
cheers.
in Mexico
Cheers,
though.
cheers, baby.
Cheers to you, baby. Zanti, hey, thank you for hosting this event. It's pretty badass. I'm not gonna lie. Amazing drinks, actually exotic drinks. Thank you for making my drink so exotic.
Of course, watches. Did you know that this is
Loving
your
this
house?
place, loving the atmosphere, loving the people. People like you, man. You're awesome, man.
You too,
Thank
man.
you so much.
We love
a car
having you every time.
enthusiastic and an entrepreneur. Him and his brother. Amazing people. Zanti.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Watch. We love you having you. You know, we always love it.